is your console panel. This is start button. This is USB interface. This is the ribbon. How to fix it, the ribbon. This clutch you have to push. After that, this hole you have to match in this rod. After matching, we have to fix this. These locks, these two locks should be fixed in these two socket. These locks should be fixed in this socket. By pressing, use. After that, just, even though ribbon is loose, you can fix it like this way. After fixing, you have to lock it. Connect the power cable. This is the button. This is the online condition. On button will power on. You want to take self test. Switch off the printer. By pressing station 2, switch on the printer. Keep pressing it